Hey, right guys, I'm up here to pick some veg today. It's the show on Saturday and I need to get quite a few things to enter because I ain't doing very well at the moment, to tell you the truth. Let's have a... find me a list wherever I put it. I always bring a list. Got memory like a sieve. I need some beetroot, possibly some courgettes, cucumbers and lettuce, and definitely some runners and French beans. So I'm going to start off with the beetroot, and I just noticed I got so many tromboncinos. Perhaps I could pick 2 of those for the class of any other vegetable, as long as they're not counted as courgettes. We'll have to see, I'll pick them anyway, got to cook them. Right then, beetroot. Ooh, that's a small one. That's better. I'm careful not to damage the tops of these because they've got to have some tops on. Good. I'll tell you what I'm going to do as well while I'm here. I got my old temperature probe. There we go. See if it's how warm it is underneath. So it's 19 ambient. Yeah, it's only 21. I was thinking it felt warmer the other day. No. Oh, right, beetroot. Let's get back to the beetroot. Wow, I can pick that one. Oh, the squash is going everywhere. Crikey, am I going to pick that? Oh, there we are. There's quite a few in here. Some smaller than others. I'll lay them out on the water trough in a minute so you can see what we got. It's not a bad idea to clear these now. They're ready to pick anyway. But I'm going to say I need room. Oh my word. I think that one might have gone a bit too far. Oh, one more. Blimey heck, right then. And hopefully I'll be able to find 9 straight runner beans. So I'm going to take them more anyway, whether they're straight or not, because I need more. Well, there we are then. I got some vegetables, loads of beetroot, whether there's 3 decent ones for the show, doesn't matter, they can be pickled anyway. 1 cucumber, that might match one at home, that's a market more, I'm sure of it, yeah. Oh, runner beans galore underneath the purple beans, sorry, red beans, where are they? They're Anita's red beans, I think it is, and Fletcher's white beans on top. Whether they count as French beans or not, I'm not sure. 2 lettuce, happy with those, I think they're Kiribati, I'll check when I get home, and a handful of acocha, the old Bolivian cukes. Right then, let's get these in the car and get off. Alright guys, chuck my old Harrington jacket on for this. I've got some of those fake sleeves somewhere, but I can't find them. What I'm doing, lifting the parsnips for the show. I don't want to get the old scratches up the arm off the leaves. I've had that once and I did not enjoy it at all. These are Countess, parsnip Countess. Never done them before, but thought we'd give it a go. So we go, oh dear me, I don't feel very good. Push down and pull up. That's not a good start, is it? Push down, pull up. Nothing to them. What's going on here then? Push down. Absolutely shocking. Although I can't see me getting 3 of these. I might just leave these and let them grow a bit, just let them grow. I'll feel around. Yeah, nothing to them. Absolutely no top to them whatsoever. Right, oh. Shan't be growing those again, that's for sure. Well, I'm going to leave those, no point carrying on. I'll just let them get bigger and bigger to eat. Right, move on to the carrots then. Let's hope these are a bit better. Well, it's a carrot. Not exactly a long one. Doesn't have to be long this year though, it's just 3 carrots. So I'm going to try feeling in the top first just to see. Get 3 the same. One more like that and I'll stop picking. Let's try that one there. It's got a similar amount of foliage on it. Oh. Look about the same. That one's a bit too big actually, if anything. Let me get one more. Which ones are overcrowding each other? Those are there. Let's try those. Bit yellow, that one. Might as well just take all of these, haven't I? I got plenty growing. Got to say, they are coming out quite easy, which is unusual. Normally struggle with these. Nice looking carrots though, but they're just, I mean I've grown these before and they've been up here somewhere. Perhaps it's just the season again. Right, that's what we got, eh? There we are then. I'll get 5 out of that, I reckon. 3 or 3. 3 out of that. Yeah. Right, let's wash those and trim them up.